Here I have HUAWEI Nova 11i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button power saving mode. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode by holding your finger until you can access some of its settings. For example, you can just switch it. You can't really adjust any of its settings. You can only switch power saving mode and that's it. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.